I think, what we have been doing, as a matter of fact, we have been talking about the switch from export to domestic market. In fact, we are talking about the integration of domestic trade and exports. The reason why we need that is that, the interactions or the integration of domestic and exports are going to both contribute to the economic growth and upgrading the manufacturing level as such that it will have very strong supply chain domestically, and it will also have strong bond with the external market. So it is then a kind of a dual circulation, which is really based on the comparative advantage, the upgrading of domestic manufacturing, as a matter of fact, has made Chinese exports uh, less replaceable. So all in all these efforts, I think, will improve the economic quality, the quality of growth,
Yeah.
and composition of the industries, and the future prospect.
China clearly is one of those countries with a population base, a middle class population base of around 400 million plus, which can offer a lot of opportunities for competitive exports. But the other side of the situation is that China also is producing at fairly high capacity. And for its own production, there are new tariffs that have come for the United States market. So these products also need to find an outlet. Now, whether they will go into the domestic market or they will go into the regional market outside of China is a big question. I think that is something which will depend upon the particular category of the product and the item. I think it's going to be a division. So some products will try to move more towards the regional markets, perhaps in Southeast Asia. China has free trade agreements with a lot of countries in the region. So I think what we are going to see is going to be very interesting, that there will be a reorientation of trade in terms of a number of exports from Southeast Asia trying to focus more on the Chinese market, and similarly, a number of exports from China also trying to focus more on the Southeast Asian markets.